Rice, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Rice is a popular food around the world. Wheat, wheat, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Wheat is used to make flour. Oats, oats. O-A-T-S, oats. Oats are healthy and nutritious.
Barley, barley. B-A-R-L-E-Y. Barley. Barley is a healthy grain.
Bread, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Bread is made from flour. Pasta, pasta. P-A-S-S-T-A. Pasta comes in many shapes.
Noodles, noodles. Let's learn to spell noodles. N-O-O-D-L-E-S, noodles. Noodles are long and tasty.
Roti, R-O-T-I. Roti, roti. Roti is a type of flatbread. Flatbread, flatbread. F-L-A-T-B-R-E-A-D. Flatbread. Flatbread is soft and round. Pancake, pancake. P-A-N-C-A-K-E, pancake. A pancake is soft and delicious. Milk, milk. M-I-L-K, milk. Milk helps make our bones strong. Butter, butter. B-U-T-E-R, butter. Butter is soft and creamy.
Cheese, cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Cheese is made from milk. Yogurt, yogurt. Y-O-G-U-R-T, yogurt. Yogurt is smooth and creamy.
Curd, curd. C-U-R-D, curd. Curd is made from milk. Cream, cream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Cream is thick and smooth.
Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet.
Key, key. G-H-E-E, key, key. Ghee is made from butter.
Chicken, chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Chicken is a popular food.
Mutton, mutton. U-T-O-N. Mutton. Mutton is meat from a sheep or goat. Beef, beef. B-E-E-F, beef, beef. Beef is meat from cattle. Pork, pork. P-O-R-K, pork. Pork is meat from a pig.
Fish, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Fish live in water.
Prawns, prawns. P-R-A-W-N-S, prawns. Prawns are seafood.
Crab, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. A crab has two strong claws.
Egg, egg. E-G-G, egg. An egg is a healthy food. Pizza, pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza.
Burger, burger. B-U-R-G-E-R, burger. A burger has a bun and filling.
Sandwich, sandwich. S-A-N-W-I-C-H, sandwich. A sandwich is made with bread and filling. French fries. F-R-E-N-F, French fries. French fries are crispy and tasty. Hot dog, hot dog. H-O-D-O-G, Hot dog. A hot dog is served in a long bun. Soup. Soup. S-O-U-P. Soup. Soup is warm and tasty. Salad. Salad. S-A-L-A-D. Salad. A salad is made with fresh ingredients. Cake. Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. A cake is sweet and soft. Pastry. Pastry. P-A-S-T-R-Y. Pastry. A pastry is sweet and delicious. Biscuits. 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 B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S. Biscuits are crunchy snacks. Cookies. Cookies. C-O-K-I-E-S. Cookies. Cookies. Cookies are sweet and crunchy. Popcorn. Popcorn. P-O-P-R-N. Popcorn. Popcorn is a light and crunchy snack. Chips. Chips. C-H-I-P-S. S. Chips. Chips are thin and crispy. Chocolate. Chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E. Chocolate. Chocolate is sweet and delicious. Donut. Donut. D-O-N-U-T-T. Donut. A donut is round and sweet. Candy. 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 C-N-D-Y. Candy. Candy is sweet and colorful. Jelly. Jelly. J-E-L-Y. Jelly. Jelly is soft and wobbly.
Pudding. Pudding. P-U-D-I-N-G. Pudding. Pudding is smooth and sweet.
Muffin. Muffin. M-U-F-F-I-N. Muffin. A muffin is small and soft. Brownie. Brownie. B-R-O-W-N-I-E. Brownie. Brownie. A brownie is rich and chocolatey.